Vamos ver o que vai acontecer agora. No último episódio o cara matou nós. Traidor. O general matou nós. Cara desgramento.
Ghost! Come in, Ghost! You copy? Does anyone copy?
They're dead, so. Shepard's cleaning house. I'm working my way back to you.
Shepard betrayed us.
Have to trust someone to be betrayed. I never did. Nikolai, come in. Do you have our location?
Da, inbound Price. But I am not the only one. You've got Shepard's men on one side, Makarov's on the other.
We'll have to take them all out then.
Or let them take each other out. Either way, I'll see you on the other side, my friend.
Nossa, missão suicida, é isso mesmo? Força Aérea.
So, Shepard's trying to wipe out House of Makarov at the same time. Head for Running Point Bravo to the west.
Ele só vai meter o pé. Ai, 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 é brincadeirinha, eu só quero sair daqui. Eu só quero sair daqui, gente, não precisa disso. Vem pra cá, né? Onde que eu me enfiei? Não dá pra entrar por aqui, não. Eu só quero sair daqui, gente.
Nikolai, this is Price. Be advised, the LZ is hot. I repeat, the LZ is hot. Okay, Captain Price, I'm on the way. Try to get the situation under control before I get there, okay? Right, whatever you say, Nikolai, just get here, sharpish. So, let
Alguém me socorre.
men kill each other off as much as you can. We can use their comms to listen in on their radio traffic. I'm gonna try and contact Makarov. Makarov, this is Price. Shepard's a war hero now. He's got your operations playbook and he's got a blank check. Give me what you got, Shepard, and I'll take care of the rest. I know you can hear me on this channel, Makarov. You and I both know you won't last a week. And neither will you. Makarov, you ever hear the old saying, the enemy of my enemy is my friend?
Price, one day you're going to find that cuts both ways. Shepard is using Site Hotel Bravo. You know where it is. I'll see you now.
É brincadeirinha, nego.
Forward to it. Give my regards to Sakaev if you get there first. So, I'm gonna get some transport.
É tudo brincadeirinha, não precisa me atirar, não. É brincadeirinha, pô. Ah, mano. Mano, sou eu contra todo mundo. Como é que passa nesse negócio?
That cuts both ways. Shepard is using Site Hotel Bravo. You know where it is. I'll see you now.
Looking forward to it. Give my regards to Sakaev if you get there first. Price, I am approaching the boneyard. I see you do not have situation under control. Very unsafe to land. It looks like when I was in Afghanistan
Tá,
with the
poxa.
Soviets. Nikolai, just shut up and land the bloody plane. We're on our way. Oh, dear.
Pula aí, véi. Pula aí, véi. Mano, ele não pula.
That cuts both ways. Shepard is using Site Hotel Bravo. You know where it is. I'll see you
Eu não quero
now.
um uso também.
Looking
Eu posso ter
forward
um
to
uso.
it. Give my regards to Sakaev if you get there first. Price, I am approaching the boneyard. I see you do not have situation under control. Very unsafe to land. It looks like when I was in Afghanistan with the Soviets. Nikolai, just shut up and land the bloody plane. We're on our way. Oh, dear. Мне явно не доложили это работать. Они ракеты, сука, стоят. Твою мать! Пизда! So, I'm gonna get some transport. Make your way west towards the runway.
Tá, vai por aqui não. Mano, é impossível passar daí. É impossível. É impossível passar dessa parte.
That cuts both ways. Shepard is using Site Hotel Bravo. You know where it is. I'll see you now.
Looking forward to it.
Mano, por que você travou aí? Só me explica isso.
You get there first.
Só corre, só corre. Por que você parou de correr? Mano, ele para de correr. Ele para de correr. Não sei porquê. Ele fala, não quero correr mais. Eu tô no meio de uma guerra, no meio de um fogo cruzado, mas eu não quero correr. Cansei de correr. Não, não quero correr não. Pra que correr, né? Desnecessário.
Looking forward to it. Give my regards to Zakayev if you get there first. Price, I am approaching the boneyard. I see you do not have situation under control. Very unsafe to land. It looks like when I was in Afghanistan with the Soviets. Nikolai, just shut up and land the bloody plane. We're on our way. Первое. Не мне явно. Не доложаю, не доработаю. Они ракеты сколько стоят. Твою мать. Пизда. So, I'm gonna get some transport. Make your way west towards the runway.
Não quero mais.
Captain Price, I'm taking off in 1 minute.
Sai, 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 sai. Entra, entra, entra. Isso.
We don't have much time. Take out that gun to wait around for us. Hurry.
Ah, mano, na moral. Eu também tenho LMG. Olha como que é bom, olha como que é bom, olha como que é bom, olha como que é bom.
Behind us. Right side, right side. Hold on. Hang on. Nikolai, drop the bloody ramp. We're coming in. Vehicles at 12 o'clock. So, rookie's down. Take the wheel. Aim for the ramp.
Conseguimos! E é isso aí.